People are visiting your website, but they are not converting. You are running ads. You are doing marketing, but still not getting enough leads or sales. The problem is not traffic. The problem is, there is no one to respond instantly. Now imagine this. A visitor lands on your website at 2 a.m., asks a question, and gets an immediate reply. No delay. No missed opportunity. That is exactly what an AI chatbot does. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to add an AI chatbot to your website, completely free, without writing a single line of code. The real problem. Most businesses struggle with the same issues. Slow response times, unanswered questions, confused visitors, and most importantly, you cannot be available 24/7. So what happens? Visitors leave, leads drop, sales are lost, and your marketing efforts go to waste. The shift. Smart businesses are not relying on manual replies anymore. They are using automation. They are turning their websites into active sales systems. And at the center of that system is an AI chatbot. This is not just a support tool. It is a digital sales agent. What is an AI chatbot? An AI chatbot is a smart assistant on your website that talks to your visitors in real time. It can answer questions, guide users, recommend services, capture leads. For example, user asks, "What are your services?" Chatbot replies instantly with details and next steps. User asks, "What is the price?" Chatbot responds with clear information and a call to action. It works like a trained employee, but it never sleeps. What you will learn. In this video, you will learn how to choose a free chatbot tool, how to train your AI properly, how to add it to your website, how to capture leads automatically, how to improve conversions, and a powerful bonus strategy at the end. Choosing the tool. There are many tools available, but we will focus on free and beginner-friendly options. Chatbase, Tidio, Crisp, ManyChat. If you are just starting, Chatbase or Tidio are great choices. They are simple, fast, and offer free plans. Account setup. Step 1. Go to the website of your chosen tool. Sign up using your email or Google account. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Click on Create Chatbot. Step 3. Give your chatbot a name. That is your basic setup done in a few minutes. Training your AI. This is the most important part. Your chatbot is only as good as the data you give it. There are 3 main ways to train it. Method 1. Add your website URL. The AI will scan and learn your content. Method 2. Add FAQs manually. Write clear questions and answers. Method 3. Upload documents, such as PDFs, service details, or pricing. VoiceOver continues. Here is an example instruction. Our company provides digital marketing services. Guide users clearly and encourage them to contact us. The better your instructions, the better your chatbot performs. Personality settings. Now define how your chatbot communicates. Choose professional or friendly tone, short or detailed responses, sales-focused or support-focused behavior. For most businesses, a clear, polite, and helpful tone works best. Design and customization. Make your chatbot look professional. Match your brand colors. Use a clean design. Ensure it works well on mobile. Set a strong welcome message. Welcome to our website. How can I assist you today? First impressions matter. Adding to your website. Now it is time to go live. Go to the Embed section. Copy the code provided. Paste it into your website's header or footer section. If you use WordPress, use theme settings or a plugin. Save changes. Refresh your website. Your chatbot is now live. Testing. Visual. Testing chat. Now test everything. Ask questions. Check responses. Look for errors. Make sure Responses are fast. Information is accurate. Flow feels natural. If needed, improve your training data. Lead capture system. Now add lead capture. Train your chatbot to ask for name, phone number, email. Example. Please share your number and we will contact you shortly. This turns conversations into real business opportunities. Advanced strategy. Here is a powerful tip. Every conversation should lead to an action. Contact, booking, inquiry. Do not let users leave without a next step. This is how you increase conversions. Conclusion. When you implement this system correctly, your website becomes a 24/7 sales machine. You respond instantly. You capture more leads. You improve customer experience. All automatically. If you want a complete AI automation setup for your business, you can contact using the details below. And for more practical strategies like this, subscribe to the channel.